Making your own bracelets is fun. You can wear something you made. It is a good feeling. Giving a handmade bracelet is a great gift. It shows you care. A handmade bracelet is special. You can make bracelets in many styles. Use different colors and beads. Find what you like best. Learn how to make bracelets. It is easy and fun. Let's get started. Before you start, get your supplies. You will need a few things. Beads. Choose beads in different colors and sizes. Elastic cord or beading thread. This holds the beads together. Scissors. Use sharp scissors to cut the cord. Tape. This helps to hold the end of the cord. These supplies are easy to find. You can find them at craft stores online. Choosing beads is the best part. So many colors and sizes. Look for beads that inspire you. Think about the bracelet style. Do you want something bold or delicate? Consider the colors. What colors do you like to wear? What colors go well together? Don't be afraid to experiment with different beads. Have fun and be creative. Cut a piece of elastic cord. Make it longer than your wrist. About 6 inches is a good start. Tape one end of the cord to your work surface. This will keep the beads from falling off. If you are using beading thread, you will need a needle. Thread the needle and tie a knot at the end. Now you are ready to start stringing beads. Section 5. Stringing your first beads. Alright, so hold the cord in one hand. Then pick up a bead with your other hand. Now, slide the bead onto the cord. Go ahead and push it down towards the tape. Next, pick up another bead and slide it on. Just keep adding beads until the bracelet is the right length. Oh, and make sure to leave some space at the end of the cord. This is for tying the knot. Section 6. Easy beading patterns for beginners. You can make simple patterns with your beads. Try alternating 2 different colors, or use 3 beads of one color and then 1 bead of another color. Look online for inspiration. There are many easy beading patterns available. You can also create your own patterns. Section 7. Closing your bracelet securely. Once your bracelet is the right length, it's time to close it. If you are using elastic cord, tie a knot in the ends. Make sure the knot is tight so it won't come undone. If you are using beading thread, tie a knot in the thread. Then tie a second knot around the tail of the thread. Trim any excess thread. Section 8. Avoiding common beading mistakes. Even beginners can make great bracelets. Here are a few tips to help you avoid mistakes. Don't make the bracelet too tight. Make sure it can easily slip on and off your wrist. Double check your knots. Make sure they are tight and secure. Use good quality materials. This will help your bracelets last longer. With a little practice, you'll be making beautiful bracelets in no time. Section 9. Creating your own beaded masterpieces. Congratulations! You've made your first beaded bracelet. Now that you know the basics, it's time to get creative. Experiment with different beads, colors, and patterns. You can even add charms or other embellishments. The possibilities are endless. Have fun and enjoy the process of creating unique jewelry.